This is me, Dubi Seth, with Saurabh Sahu, Swapnil Tiwari, and Richa Jain and Mayank Patel. We are going to have a short session from the members of the JC Republic Party with Vishal Singh Rathod and Shivam Roy. So now we are going to have a short session with them and
let's just have a short session with them. Question number 1 is for you, Vishal Singh Rathod. Will you be criticizing other MPs?
Very good question. First of all, there is a very thin difference between criticize and insult. You know what is the beauty of democracy? We people can criticize but can't insult. How can you think like 2G scam, Land Acquisition Act, and other sorts of scams? They come in the matter of opinion discussion. How they have come? This is the thing that we people criticize. We people criticize the things, matters like black money. They come in our scenario. So this is only due to the criticizing factor. So I must criticize the party. Without criticism, we can't progress. So this is
Next question. Richa.
how are you going to work for the student welfare?
very good. Actually, for this we have some policies. We are in front. So we see the loopholes which are in the running government. And we people found out some kind of that loopholes that we there in the running party, and we criticize them. And after that, we make some policy for them and some sorts of problems. We make union in our college, and we face some things like that.
Shivam, you want to say something on that?
As Sir Vishal said, as we are the third front, we can only criticize the first front parties, the ruling parties.
Okay, next question.
Campus cleanliness has been a matter of great concern for JCNs. So what are your strategies for that?
Yeah. For this, I want to appreciate Karma, the group that has been for months have been cleaning the campus, and they have organized a clean campus drive on 2 or 3 days before. So there is a things that are going around in the college, and we will make some kind of societies for cleanliness of the college, and we reconstruct the things like our canteen, like this that we saw, stage that is there behind the Audi, and we will see how we will manage the things.
Next question, Dubi.
Now the hottest topic of discussion nowadays is the campus Wi-Fi. So what are your views regarding that? How are you going to provide that?
First of all, I want to say that this is a very hot topic, as you said. So we people can't do anything, but if people unite together and have a strong point on this to the principal, then this problem can be sorted out, because he is the commanding chief of this college. So it is their responsibility, and we people can provoke them to do this.
So what have you got to say about this? Because you are in the selected MPs, the people place their trust in you. So what are you going to do?
As you said, for the Wi-Fi thing, it's like it's a need of everyone. Like, so there's no debate on it. Like, no party won't oppose it. No one's going to oppose it. We just have to make the higher authorities agree to it. And so we are all one in it, and we can.
Okay, next question. What's your take on canteen facilities, parking facilities, reservation system, girl security? These are very big issues.
These issues are very keen issues. These requires participation, like you said about girl safety. Actually, without changing the present scenario, mindset of the people, you can't think that girl security can be what a perfect word which can I choose means people need to be active in this field. They must what we can say change their thinking, and they must be aware of the thing that girls must be protected. They must be given equal right according to the constitution. So these things must happen.
So what according to you should be the initiatives that can be taken in order to make people aware about this?
Yeah, actually, we all are educated people. We are doing engineering as we people. So the thing is that we are not changing our mindset. Like if a girl wear jeans or some sort of dress, then we people generally comment that what he is wearing, what kind of dress sense he has. But the thing is that we people have to change our mindset. So this is all about our thinking, how we think, how we approach. This
But that is a kind of dress code that is even mentioned by the faculty of the college, that girls should be there in proper salwar kameez and we should have the katta and
We are
everything.
Indian.
But-
First of all,
Yeah, regarding that,
regarding that,
culture,
what I'm
that's
saying
it. But
that we people are belong to Indian community. We have tradition, we have culture. So this is the part of our body that we must wear salwar. But it is not compulsory to wear that. Okay, you can wear anything you want. We are free according to Article 21.
thank you, sir. Any special message you want to convey to the general public?
For me, it's that we are a developing country. The web of this country, working age population is maximum. The youngsters from 16 to 65 are maximum in this country, about 70%. So they must participate in active politics. They must participate in manufacturing sector, and they must participate in the service sector to promote the country economy, GDP, and also.
So this was third front leader Vishal Singh Rathod and Shivam Roy. For more updates, keep watching Focus TV. This is me, Saurav Sahu, Dubi Seth, Swapnil Tiwari, Richa Jain and Mayank Patel signing off. Thank you.